The evil exhaust register putting on tube trick. Oh shit.
It just keeps shortening and shortening.
By the time you're done, there won't be anything left. Hey. Oh, expecting to do it again, so just leave the knife there? Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Clamp. Hilarious.
It's so terrible. Oh man, what are you doing? Oh, sorry. God. Oh.
A massage? You gotta stop that and pull it from the front. Take it and don't.
It doesn't want to do anything.
You're getting it. You got it farther than there it did. The thing is it's Chinese finger in your ass. There you go. Now you get idea. Because it just collapses on you as you try and push it. So you can't, like, you have to pull it, like, over. Good, keep that bottom. Yeah, there you go. You actually got it. All you gotta do is. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry about the wallpaper.
How far do you gotta go?
Enough to get the clamp on, which I think you are.
Alright, I want to try the clamp.
Jed, clamp that motherfucker.
Piece of shit.
It doesn't work. I think you got it bass backwards. Not through that way, that's on this one.
I got the nut. I got the nut.
Yeah, we do. Nut that invented this shit.
String him up.
This is taking longer than the whole fucking washing machine ordeal. You can't. It won't. That's nice. Like, okay. Damn.
It'll work eventually.
So I do keep it kind of sharp. Don't just do that. Yeah, pull it out and get it. That's not good. Don't get carried away. Oh, carefully.
It's also garbage. And it just keeps getting shorter.
No, I think you're
It
close.
was close.
Don't get too carried away. Remember, get both hands on that shit.
This is so gay. Oh my god.
Ding, 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 ding. He's gonna push it outside the fucking house, dude. Okay. It all comes down to this, folks. He's on the green. All he has to do is sink it. Okay, Papa.
Do you know if this?
McFumbles is on the green. He's lining up that putt shot. Can he sink it? Does he know his righty roosty?
It does not go the right.
One of them bass backwards nuts.
I hate those ones.
D's nuts.
I hate those backwards nuts. It might be so dirty it won't fucking move.
Yeah, you are. Dirty young man. I think if you like hold the nut there and turn the screw. Because it's a square nut. Not wanting that round hole.
This is not moving.
Oh. Now you're gonna have to push it all back on and spin a ram in it because you've let it fall back. There. There. Now you gotta get that bitch down to where you can get a screwdriver on it. Do you have said screwdriver?
I need like a pair of little pliers and a screwdriver to tighten this.
No, you don't. All you need is a screwdriver. But
It'll spin the nut.
You got in there for this battle and you did not bring a screwdriver.
But it'll spin that nut though. I need
No, it will stay. What'd you do with that?
a screwdriver.
Have a screw driven. Wait a second, I'm thirsty.
I think that was mine.
Mm-mm. It's up there.
Okay.
Let's crack this bit.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You sure you're not flipping flopping them?
Flippity floppity floop. Damn, are we still going? Yes, we are. We gotta be going on like forever. We're at 9 minutes. Dude.
We're at 9 minutes. Fucking this screwdriver doesn't fit this.
Yeah, he doesn't. You don't fit the mold at all. Come on, you can do it. You have the technology. We can rebuild it.
Cross. Eric was like, fuck this.
I don't blame him.
Well, he uses it too. Dick move.
Figures we have it handled.
Alright. Yeah, easy killer. We'll have to go out and we'll adjust that later.
It's getting tight.
Yeah, you almost got it. A couple more crankarillas there. I might have been able to get back from the garage with a nut driver, but you got it.
This is working.
Seeing as that is like a 200-yard dash. Alright. I think you have conquered the beast. No. Not like you got a lot of force there, but 2 more crankarillas and you're done. That's it.
I don't think it's doing much, but it's doing something.
It is.
It's on the edge.
You're doing it. Just keep pounding away. Be that fucking craftsman that you are. Alright.
It's fine. He's gonna shoot out.
Cameo.